Hello everyone and welcome to Skills Build Training YouTube channel. Myself Mohammed Zubair and this channel is all about showing you how to become a highly paid IT pro really fast. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, in today's video, we are going to talk about customized Windows without Rainmeter software and skin packs. So first of all, as you can see, I have a lot of clutter onto my desktop. Not only onto my desktop, onto my taskbar as well. So first of all, let's clear all this clutter. So I'll just right click onto my desktop, go to my view section, and here it says show desktop icons. Just click on it and it will hide everything from your desktop. And now right click onto your taskbar and go to your search section. From here you have different options in terms of your search bar. If you go with the hidden option, it will remove the search bar from your taskbar and your taskbar will be minimalistic. So I'll just click on it and now you see we do not have search bar anymore. Right click on your taskbar one more time and this time go to your news and interest, and if you see we have weather update and we have news and interest onto our taskbar on the right side as well. I want to turn it off. So for that, go to your news and interest and click on turn off and it will be removed from here. As you can see, now we do not have anything. Other than that, we have some of the widgets in here like network, we have volume, we have battery, clock, etc. If you just click on this icon that says show hidden icons, you can drop everything into this one. For example, I'll drop my network into this one, my volume into this one, and I can drop my battery into this one as well. And now we have more space in here. We can also hide our clock, but I'll not do that at this particular time. So we are done with this one. And now what we need to make sure that we have everything into our taskbar in the middle of it. How can we do that? Well, for that purpose, we have to download a utility. And I'm going to download it and it is called as Taskbar X. So I'll just search for Taskbar X, hit enter and let's see what do we get. So here it is. I'll go for the GitHub link. I'll just click on it. Let me just maximize my Chrome. And from here, I'll go for its release. I'll just click on it and let's download a file. So here, if you see, you have a lot of options available. You can download any one as per your liking. I'll go for the zip file. And after that, I'll show you how we can use that. So just start a download process, open your file and make sure to extract it. So for that, I'll go to the directory where I have downloaded this particular taskbar X. So I'll just close this one. And here, if you see here, we have taskbar available. I'll just right click on it and I'll go for extract to taskbar X. It will create a new folder and it will extract everything into this one. Let's open this one. And if you scroll down, here we have taskbar configuration and taskbar X. Go for taskbar X this time. I'll just double click on it. And what it will do, it will move everything into the middle of your taskbar as you can see. In case if you want to customize your taskbar, go for the configurator file. So I'll just double click on it and let's see what are the different options that are available to us. So in terms of its styling, you can make your taskbar transparent, opaque, blur, or any option as per your liking from the available one. Other than that, you have different animation option. You can position your taskbar. You have different options in terms of startup, mechanics, and some other options. So it's all up to you that how do you want to go. Okay, let's say in case if you want to stop using taskbar X, for that purpose you just need to click on this stop taskbar X and you will see everything will go back to the normal. So it's all up to you how you want to go with it. I'll just close this one and I'll again go for taskbar X file because I want everything in the middle of my taskbar, and now we are good to go. Okay, now I'll just close this one. We are done with the taskbar with the desktop and we are left here with our startup application, or you can say with the start button. If I just click on it, you see I have a lot of applications available in here. What I can do, I can customize it as well. How can I do so? Well, first of all, just search for settings into your system. So I'll just search for it. Here it is. I'll just open that one and in that I'll search for startup. I'll just click on it and here if you see we have different options. At the moment, it is showing us all the apps in the start menu. Along with that, it is also showing us recently added apps, most used apps as well. So it's all up to you how you want to go. I want to disable app list. I also want to disable recently added apps. I only want to have most used apps. Other than that, okay, let me just show you one thing. Now you can see it looks like this. It is only showing me those apps that I used mostly. You can scroll down. You can also go for the all apps if you just hover over it, and here it says all apps. Just click on it and it will show you the list of every app that is there into your Windows 10 or into your Windows operating system. Okay. After that, I'll go back and here we have an option that says use start full screen. Just enable this and let's see what it is. If you just click on it now, it will take the whole screen for your apps and you can see how good it is now, and it is looking more sophisticated and more professional. It's all up to you if you want to go with this option or not. I'll just get out of this and we are done with the start settings as well. After that, this time I'll go to my color section. And here we have different options that we can go for in terms of our colors. At the moment, I'm okay with the dark one. Then we have themes. And in terms of our theme, we have different settings that we can go for. But I'll leave everything as it is. And this time we'll download a wallpaper for our desktop background. So for that, I'll go back to my Google Chrome and this time I'll write here minimalistic desktop wallpaper. I'll just hit enter. And here we have a lot of them available. Along with that, we have different websites that offer same kind of wallpapers. I'll go for this one. Let's just click on it and let's just download it. And here if you scroll down, you will have more and more options. So it's all up to your liking that which one do you want. So for my video, I'll download this one. I'll just click on get wallpaper and from here you have to wait for 3 seconds and you can download it. So I'll just download full resolution image and we are done here. Let's just open this one and let's set it as our desktop background. So I'll just right click on it and I'll go for set as, and here it says background, and we have successfully done that. Other than that, there is another way that you can set this one as your desktop background. For that, go to your settings and then go to your background, and from here make sure to go for picture and click on browse. And now go to the directory where you have downloaded your wallpaper and you are good to go. So we are done with the background and we are left with some of the things in terms of the efficiency, or you can say minimalistic approach for our desktop background. And that is, we should have some widgets onto our desktop. So for that, I'll open my Microsoft Store and here just search for widgets, hit enter. You will see a lot of widgets applications available in your Microsoft Store. So it's all up to you that with which one you want to go. Here if you see, we have desktop gadget, we have Windows desktop widgets, we have widget box, B widget, widget launcher and many more. So it's all up to you that with which one you want to go. I'll go for B widgets. Let's just click on this free button and let's just click on this get button. It will download it and then it will install it. Let it get installed and then I'll show you that how you can use it to have different widgets onto your desktop. So let's wait for it. We are done here with the download and now let's open it. Let me just close my Microsoft Store and from here we have different widgets that we can insert. First of all, just click on new widget button and from the list you can select the one as per your liking. We have time, date, photos, shortcut, finances and weather. Let's go for the time. So I'll just click on it and let's go for its customization. First of all, we will position it into the middle of our screen. So let me just move it towards the right side. Now I'll just click on center position X, center position Y, and now it's in the middle. In case if you want to go for the customized positioning, just click on it and drag it anywhere as per your liking. I'll just leave it right here. After that, here you have width and height that you can increase or decrease. After that, if you just scroll down, here you have some other option that you can go for. Okay, I'll go for the 12 or format. After that, just scroll down. Here we have appearance. For appearance, just click on this color bar and I'll go for transparent. So here it says transparent. I'll just click on it and here you can see we only have time in here. So just like that, you have a lot of options. Last one is time text. If you just click on it, you can change your time text as well. Here is foreground color and down here you have font weight, font style like this. So we are done with this one. I'll just close its setting. For the next one, just click on it. I'll go for weather. I'll just click on it and here we have weather available. Okay, let's just customize it as well. I'll just click on this customize button and I'll position it as per my liking. I'll leave it right here. And after that, you can go for the options as per your liking. I'll just scroll down. For the preferences, I'll go for the city. Just click on set city button and write the name of the city that you want to go for. I'll go for Toronto and after that I'll click on add button and we have successfully added the city. Now scroll down and here you have weather forecast. If you want to go for the current or 24 hours, it's all up to you. And down here we have different other settings. So I'm okay with everything in here in terms of its settings. So I'll just close this one. And you see we do not have clock anymore. And it is because I did not click on new widget. So I'll just click on it again. And here we have clock. Let's customize it one more time. I'll get back to you after customizing it. So we are done here, and this is how our desktop looks like at this particular moment. At the end, I am left with one thing, and that is we should make our taskbar transparent. So for that, I'll go back to my taskbar X. Here it is. I'll just open its configurator file. And from here, I'll go for transparent option. Click on apply, and you will see now our taskbar will be transparent. Let's just close this one and let's go to our desktop. And this is how it looks like. And now if you see, our desktop looks more minimalistic, more professional and more clean. And you have also seen that we haven't used any skin pack or Rainmeter or whatsoever. We only have used one application from the Microsoft Store and one application from the internet that is called as Taskbar X. And this is the end result. And that brings me to the end of this particular video. I hope now that you must have enjoyed watching this one, and if that is the case, do leave a like, subscribe and press the bell icon, and if you have any suggestions or if you want to ask something, do leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Till the next video, take care.